All right. Time to get this thing out of here. I took some pictures of it, posted it for sale on OfferUp and Craigslist. I mean, it's a nice stereo. I mean, it was $1,300 when it came out, but it don't work for me. It's too much trouble. It's very powerful, but like you just need something else. I mean, like I would need some like really bass heavy speakers or something. I just can't deal with it. So I'm gonna pull it out of here. All right, we're gonna hook this one up. I'm gonna remove this sub thing too. I'm gonna put it out on the street. I'm done with it. All right, well, it screwed up that video. So anyway, I'm just gonna do a different one. We're gonna use this. I'm gonna find out what the temperature is. It says 80 degrees. $79 something degrees. Okay, so let's come in here. 75. All right, so 75.4. I'm going to play some music, and I'm not going to show it on here, but we're just going to test this thing and see how hot it heats up, and we'll see at what the fan kicks on at. All right, we can see now a little bit better. So we're trying to get a flashlight here so we can kind of just see what the fan is doing. I don't know if there's a way to mute the video while I'm doing this. It's badass. All right, so let's take a look here real quick. 123 degrees. So it gets toasty. So anyway, it sounds awesome. That's what sucks. I would think that probably for me, we'd probably want to replace these resistors here with larger ones before they finally kick the bucket. I am not sure the value of them. I don't know if we can get a schematic for them, but they're dissipating a lot of heat. So that's what I would like to do if I'm going to keep this. I can take it back and get my $9 back. It's missing the legs, which I didn't notice when I bought it. It kind of pissed me off. Like, I've got other ones with legs, but I mean, I don't know. And there's got to be a dead reliable stereo that sounds this good. There's got to be one out there somewhere. So anyway, I don't know what else I can really test on it. I can tell it's getting pretty hot though.